especially from an investment property owner, it's like, okay, like, I'm going to buy it for this. Here's how much my mortgage is going to be. Here's how much I can charge in rent, So that's like, that is what this asset is worth to me. With insurance, the value is calculated by the square footage and how old it is. Two completely different things that have no relation to each other. So that's kind of what I always try to explain to people. It's like, okay, you have to think about this completely differently. If we have full replacement cost, you will have no depreciation else, any settlement you ever get. So like, it's exactly put back exactly as it was, like you're good. You want to go ACV, save some money, we can do that, but there will be depreciation in the settlement. How much? No idea. Replacement cost, no depreciation. ACV, there will be depreciation. So